is Vyminal.
Vyminal here. Do you want to level up your game? Then this video is for you. We're going to take a closer look at the GSP 600 professional gaming headset by Sennheiser, which is a flagship model of the gaming series line of headsets. Let's get started with a review and see what this premium headset is all about. First up is design. Right off the bat, aesthetically, the GSP 600 manages to live up to its name of being a gaming headset, without being too extravagant. The headset features tasteful silver and red accents, with a black color theme. The red accents extend to the microphone on the left side of the headset as well. The GSP 600 has a rather robust appearance, being larger and slightly heavier than most gaming headsets on the market. Obviously, the headset is designed to stay at home next to your battle station, but it's safe to say that the headset is easily portable and bringing it around for gaming on the go won't be an issue. The hefty size and weight translates to the build quality, durability, and construction of the headset. It's mostly made out of a very strong plastic material with a hinge system made of solid metal. Once you hold the headset in your hands for the first time, you'll immediately know that it's built to last. Without a doubt, this can survive heavy daily use and intense gaming for hours on end. Even the cables are extremely durable due to the braided nylon exterior cover, which also ensures the wires don't easily get tangled up unlike other headsets. The package comes with one standard 3.5mm audio cable and another cable that splits the audio and microphone jack separately. As for comfort, the headset clamp feels very firm, with a lot of padding in the ear cups and under the headband. While I never experienced any discomfort using the headset, the clamp is harder than most and it will probably take some getting used to. The harder clamp is by design, as it blocks outside noise better than a softer clamp. Overall, the ear cups are pretty comfortable and would fit larger ears. I use my gaming rig 10 to 12 hours a day, and I wouldn't be able to last that long using uncomfortable headsets. This one definitely passed the longevity test with flying colors, as I was able to comfortably game for 12 hours at a time. Now here's the most important part of the review. Sure, it feels great to wear, but how does it sound? On the low end of the audio spectrum, it feels powerful, punchy, without being muddy at all. Color me impressed that they didn't go haywire on the bass. Most gaming headsets have too much bass boost and degrades the overall experience. This was not the case here, however, as the bass sounds mostly neutral, allowing for a flatter, less colored spectrum. The mid-range frequencies also sound exceptional, cutting through the mix appropriately. This makes voices particularly distinct and easy to hear, especially in those frantic moments in team chat. The GSP 600 boasts a satisfying high-end frequency response as well, with the highs being crystal clear and richly detailed. Even in the tense moments of a deathmatch, guns blazing, rockets exploding, and teammates screaming, the headset exhibited a well-balanced mix that allowed me to distinguish where audio sources were, all the while isolating noise from the real world. The clicky switches on my mechanical keyboard were instantly muted, and my teammates were not able to pick up the sound through the mic either, which is good to know. Other headsets offer virtual surround sound technology, and this one doesn't. If you've been watching this channel for a while now, you know that I'm not a big fan of virtual surround sound. To my ear, the artificial processing just gets in the way of how the audio was meant to be heard. So the lack of surround sound doesn't bother me here at all. And in all cases, I prefer stereo gaming headsets. Now for the microphone test. I tested the microphone with zero boost, no EQ, and filtering on Ableton Live, which is what I use to record all my voiceovers. While the microphone was clearly audible and definitely good enough for gaming, this is definitely the weakest link of the headset itself. The audio lacked the warmth of your typical external microphone and was weak on the low end of the spectrum. Again, the microphone on the GSP 600 is great for team chat, but if you're recording professional audio, a condenser microphone is still a necessity here. Here's a quick recording test of the microphone so you can hear how it sounds. Sennheiser GSP 600 raw audio mic test. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sennheiser GSP 600 professional gaming headset sound check. 1, 2, 3, 4. In conclusion, the GSP 600 professional gaming headset by Sennheiser is, in my opinion, definitely worth the premium price tag of $250. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a better sounding gaming headset than this. Not to mention one that you could wear for hours and hours on end in the heat of battle. If you have the budget, then I highly recommend you go for the GSP 600 as you wouldn't be disappointed. That's it for my video review of the GSP 600 by Sennheiser. This has been Vyminal. Catch my live streams on twitch.tv/Vyminal. And I'll see you in the next video.